Hikvision D5C is an intelligent endpoint that integrates digital whiteboard, wireless projection, video conferencing and other practical tools, all in one. On top of it is the 4K camera and 8 microphone array, which can pick up the sound within 12 meters. At the bottom there is NFC module, 2 magnetic pen trays. On the lower right corner are the interfaces, including HDMI in, Touch USB, USB 3.0, and a Type-C port, which can be used for file transfer, screen mirroring, and device charging up to 65 watts. Beside the Type-C port is the brightness sensor, which would adjust the screen brightness according to the ambient brightness. D5C adopts the 4K optical anti-blue light screen with zero-gap bonding technology. On the side there's a full port array of interfaces including VGA input port, DP input port, HDMI input and output ports, USB Type-C port and Touch USB ports. Here you can insert the OPS module, which makes the Windows system fully compatible with D5C. At the back side is the first Hikvision self-developed backplate. D5C has two models, D5C/A, which is the one without built-in mic and camera, and D5C/B, which is the one with built-in camera and mic. Both models have 3 sizes in total. They are 65-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch.